Hello, I'm Jared Nelson from the Investing Channel, and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today we're taking a look at Aspen Aerogels, a globally known energy technology company from Massachusetts that's listed on the NYSE. The firm offers aerogel insulation products primarily for use in the energy infrastructure and building materials markets, and its products include cryogel, pyrogel, and spaceloft. According to Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, 18 institutional investors have researched this stock 34 times over the past week. And on the street, 5 analysts are covering the stock, and they have a 100% buy consensus between them. Looking at the chart, we can see that it's been a powerful year for the share price, with the stock up over 100% year to date, currently sat on support and not far off from its all-time highs. So, what's behind the surge in interest in this stock? Well, President Biden's infrastructure bill is a good starting point, with a special focus put on companies involved in electric vehicle manufacturing. Furthermore, the firm's decision to sell $75 million of its common stock in a private placement to a Koch family investment firm is certainly being seen as a bullish development. The firm just announced its latest earnings, which saw total revenue grow 29% to $31.7 million, while gross profit grew 61% year-on-year to $4.6 million, and the firm ended Q2 with $102.3 million in cash. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.